Okay, here's a quick lesson on adaptive cruise control in the 2019 F150. So we're going to use this 5-way toggle switch here to navigate up in our top here. So I'm going to right arrow all the way over to our settings and find cruise control. Hit enter, go in, make sure it's set to adaptive. So once we have that set to adaptive, it's all down here. So basically we have to turn our cruise control on. You're going to get the 4 bars up on the thing. So once you set your cruise control to the specific speed, you just have to lessen the gap. So hitting the up arrow right here will lessen the gap. That will tell you how close you are falling behind the person in front of you. I like 3 bars. Conservative driving will give you 4 bars. And let's say you're on, let's say, a 60, 70K stretch. You want to be a little closer, then go to 2 bars. But myself, I usually default to about 3 bars and go from there. So once you set your cruise control, you have to have your cruise control on, then you hit your set. So once it's set, we just bump up your speed it goes by 1 kilometer an hour, up or down. And you can cancel it or shut it off. And that's how it works. So basically what it does, there's a sensor in front, a radar sensor, and your vehicle will slow down and match the speed that the vehicle in front of you is going. So if you're doing 110, the vehicle in front of you is doing 105, you will slow down to 105 and follow behind depending on the gap you set with your switch. Any other questions, give me a call. Country Ford and Wilkie, 306-843-2684.